So in this lecture, we will see what time management actually means, because we hear lots of people, maybe like entrepreneurs or even like employees, and they're like, well, I should actually get my time straight and learn how to manage it, I should get a time management coach because I don't know how to do it. And we're like, okay, calm down, man. What is actually time management? So I'm taking a definition from Wikipedia that we're going to read together. So it's the process of planning and exercises conscious control of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness, efficiency, or productivity. So what does this mean? Time management is what you have when you're conscious about your time, when you know that you're using your time well, okay? Here, obviously, I'm not talking about lovers. That's another thing. If you meet someone and with that person your time just flies, well, good for you, okay? But in real life, when you get back to real life, so to your job and studies or whatever you have up in your life, just remember that you need to manage your time. Then you need to understand that your time is important, so you cannot waste it. And so, it's like if you had a box full of chocolates, and you had to sort the chocolates, the sweets, and you had to decide what to do with each sweet. Okay, let's say that you have 24 sweets, 24 whatever, you can even have 24 apples, and each apple is your hour. It's like if it was your time. Okay, so you had to decide what to do with each hour that you have, each apple. And if you think about it, like 24 apples are actually a lot, but 24 hours, it's like if it was nothing. Okay, they just slip away, just like that. But we needed this comparison, like with sweets or apples, stuff like that are concrete, that are real, because we need to understand that if used well, those 24 hours that we have are a lot of time. And then we'll see in the next video what we do in these 24 hours. Then why is time management important? The only answer that I have in my mind is this one. It's important for you. It's important for your life, and it's important for you to build a life that actually makes a difference, right? So don't just let time slip away, but understand that your time has got a lot of value, that your time cannot come back, and that you need to plan your life. These three things are the most important things, okay? And we mustn't be distracted, okay? So this is the reason why time management is important. We have seen what time management is, but you need to think about yourself and you need to think about your time, because that's the most important thing you have. That's your life. Time is equal to life, and you cannot let it go away without any meaning.